everyone! Welcome back to Eassiy Official. Have you ever forgotten your iCloud password or got stuck with an iCloud locked iPad? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to show you 3 easy ways to recover your iCloud password and a bonus method to bypass iCloud activation lock instantly using Passixer iPhone Unlocker. So let's get started. Bonus first, the best way to bypass iCloud activation lock with Passixer. If you're dealing with an iCloud activation lock, the fastest and most reliable solution is Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Here's why it's the best choice. You can bypass iCloud activation lock without an Apple ID or password. It works on all iOS and iPadOS versions. It has a simple and beginner-friendly interface, and it removes various locks like screen passcode, Face ID, Touch ID, MDM, and screen time. Here are the steps to use Passixer. Download and install Passixer iPhone Unlocker on your computer, connect your iPhone or iPad, and click Bypass iCloud Activation Lock. Follow the jailbreak tutorial provided in the app. Click Start and wait for the bypass to complete. Then restart your device and enjoy full access. By the way, the download link for Passixer is in the description below. Now let's move on to recovering your iCloud password. Method 1. Recover your iCloud password via the iForgot website. So Apple's iForgot website is actually the official way to reset your iCloud password. Here's how to do it. First, go to iforgot.apple.com on your browser. Then enter your Apple ID and the characters displayed on the screen. Next, provide the phone number linked to your Apple ID. After that, approve the request from your trusted device. Once you've done that, enter your new password and confirm it. Oh, and make sure you have 2-factor authentication enabled for this to work. Method 2. Recover your iCloud password using the Settings app. If you have access to an iPhone, iPad, or Mac that's already signed into iCloud, you can reset your password right from the Settings app. For iPhone or iPad, just open Settings and tap your name. Then go to Password and Security and tap Change Password. Enter your device passcode, set your new iCloud password, and confirm it. Now, for Mac, open System Preferences and select Apple ID. Click Password and Security, then choose Forgot Apple ID or Password. Just follow the prompts to reset your password. Method 3. Recover your iCloud password using the Apple ID website. Another option is to use the Apple ID account page. Just visit appleid.apple.com and click Forgot Apple ID or Password. Enter your Apple ID and confirm your trusted phone number. Then, approve the notification on your device and set a new password. And remember, if you set up 2-step verification, you'll need your recovery key for this method. Pro tips to avoid forgetting iCloud password. Use a password manager. Keep your security questions updated and store your password securely. And that's it. And if you ever get stuck with an iCloud activation lock, Passixer iPhone Unlocker is your best solution. Download Passixer using the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to Eassiy Official, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video!